Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be trying some waxing kit.
A company called Tress
Reached out to me and they wanted me to try their professional waxing kit. Now this could have not come at a better time because I have decided that I want to start using waxing kit for any waxing that I want to do, so this came at a real good time. So I'm excited to share this with you guys and show you exactly what they sent to me. So this is what it comes with. A little bit heavy. So this is the entire kit, and let's dig in and see what's in here. Ooh, exciting. So this is what it looks like. So the first thing that you see in the box are the hard wax. So they send you, this is 3, 4, 5. So they send you 5 different hard wax. So the first one is tea tree hard wax. The second one is eucalyptus hard wax. And the third one is peppermint hard wax. And the fourth one is lavender hard wax. And the fifth one is the lemon hard wax. Also send you the they send you the pre-wax spray. This is just for you to clean and moisturize. Helps you to clean and moisturize your waxing areas. And then they also send you the after wax spray as well to moisturize after you're done. So I think that's really cool of them to do. And then they send you 2 waxing applicators. They send you the big size and the small size. So I think that's amazing. And then we have the waxing pot. So this is where, or this is what you're going to use. This is what you're going to use to melt your wax. So this is what the pot looks like. And they also send you the 2 spray nozzles for the pre-wax and after wax bottles. So I think that's really nice of them to do. And then they send you a thank you card. So this is nice of them to do. They also send you a warranty. So this is a 2-year warranty. It has a 2-year warranty, I mean. And then they send you any instructions to follow if you get like an allergic reaction. So I think that was nice of them to do. And then they send you a guide to utilize as you try their waxing kit. So I'll start by turning on the pot first, and I want to go with lemon because it's a brighter color, so I think it will show more. So we're going to try the lemon.
So now I'm attaching the spray nozzle onto the pre-waxing spray and the after waxing spray. So now I'm just getting the pot ready. I'm just plugging that in and I'm turning it on. So you have to make sure that you turn it onto the highest setting. Put your hard wax in there and let it start to melt. As you can see, it's already starting to melt over there. So we're going to give it a little bit more time for it to melt a little bit more, and then we're going to get to work. So the wax is completely melted. So now you're going to turn down the heat or turn down the temperature from the highest setting, which is 257, and you're going to bring it down to the recommended 150 to 175 and work from there. So I'm going to be waxing my arm. This is what we're working with today. So what you see is what you get, guys. We're going to start with the pre-wax spray, and we're just going to moisturize my arm and make it ready for waxing. So after that, we're now going to do a little test pat just to make sure that the wax will not burn your arm or your leg or anywhere that you're going to be waxing before you start to do the actual wax. So this is just me doing a test, and you can see there's already hair coming out, guys. I had no idea my arm had so much hair. So we're going to continue. I'm just going to add some more wax, and then I'm going to continue to pull it to make sure that my arm turns out as smooth as possible. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did experience some sort of pain doing this process, but it's something that you can tolerate. It's not something that is overbearing. This was my first time trying a waxing kit or a wax session, so my body, my mind was all over the place. I did not know how to feel. I did not know what to expect. But as I continued with the session and continued waxing one patch after the other, I kind of got used to it, and it kind of started to feel a little bit more normal. But as you can see, guys, I have so much hair on my hands. I did not even know I had all that hair, and that's all coming out. And I just love the feeling of how smooth my hand feels after that wax has been removed. So now you always want to make sure that once you apply the wax on your arm or whichever area you're going to wax, you're going to leave it on there for a few seconds, wait for it to dry, and then pull it off real quickly. Another thing that I noticed, it's like the more hair I had in a certain area, the more pain I felt. Like this one, I really felt it. Like I felt the pain right on my chest because it had so much hair in that area. And I think that's just how the wax sessions work. The more hair you have, the more it will take for them to pull or for you to pull that hair out with that wax. So almost all the hair is out, guys. So I'm just gonna do like final touches just to remove whatever hair I may still see on my arm, and that's gonna be the end of that session. So I'm just going around my entire arm patch by patch just to see if there was any hair that was left behind. So this is my final wax patch, and I'm just pulling that out for any hair that was left behind during the whole waxing process, just to make sure that everything or every strand of hair was removed on my arm. So there you have it. We do see some hair. So now I'm just cleaning up my arm, and now I'm going to go in with my after wax spray. And I'm just going to spray that on my arm to make sure that my arm stays moisturized after going through all that pulling and tagging of the hair strands. Now you can see the difference with my arms. You can see one has hair and one is waxed. So there's the one with the hair, and there's the arm that has just been waxed. I think this is a win, guys. We have a win here. So with me, or for me moving forward, I'm team wax. I will leave all the information about this company in the description down below. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section as well. This is all the hair that came out of my arm.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this session with me. I had fun trying out the waxing kit, and I did experience a little bit of pain, but that is not something that you cannot tolerate. That is something that you can put up with. So don't be afraid to try it. I will put the information of this company in the description box down below. And if you feel like visiting them, you can definitely go and check them out and see if this is something that you would like. So for me, it is goodbye, and see you in my next video.